All right, guys, we are back. This is the 100 subscriber giveaway. Thank you guys so much for getting oh my God, I can't talk. Thank you so much for getting me to 100. I think we're at 109 right now, which is fantastic. I'm sorry I'm a little bit late getting this video out. Thank you guys so much for being here. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna do something a little bit different for this this milestones giveaway. So I'm gonna give away some beads. Hopefully this is enough. I hope this is enough to get you guys excited. I tried to pick out a couple little things. Like for one, I knew I wasn't gonna use these clay beads. I'm not really a fan of these flat circle clay beads. These came in the stitch kit, and they were just gonna sit in my bead collection and rot, and I don't wanna throw them away. So I'm like, you know what, somebody else might enjoy these. So I'm gonna give you these along with some string that came along with it. These are some really cute round beads. It's kind of like a little bead sampler pack, I guess is what this is. Little bead sampler pack. So you get these cute little chunky round beads. And then I decided to give away some of the beads I got from Temu. So I got these two little teddy bears. You get two little teddy bears, one each of the little seashells. You got the turtle, the star, and the, I guess what, the conch? I guess you get this little baggie of beads. You get, these are some of my favorites. I love these little chunky stars. These were featured in my recent bracelet making video. These are so cute, along with some, you know, shiny little round beads that kind of accent them. So you can make your bracelet out of those. Very, very cute. And then we have, last but not least, you guys have seen me using these a lot lately. These chunky, adorable, these little fat cats. How cute are these? Oh my God, they're so adorable. So I'm sharing some of these with you guys. This is what you get. This is gonna go to the person who wins the raffle. So just like last time, if you want to enter the free raffle, just comment below and I will enter your name into a raffle and I will draw the winners in a separate video, okay? When is this gonna end? I guess I will pick the winner in, what is today, Thursday? How about Saturday, Sunday? Should I give you all until Monday to get your comments in? Yes, okay, I guess yes. I'll pick a winner on Monday, okay? So that is, what day is Monday? I need to look at a calendar. I'll put it on the screen. So I will draw a winner on Monday. So if you want to enter, comment below and I will let you guys know who won this one, okay? Thank you guys so much for being here and for all your support. I appreciate every comment and every subscriber. Thank you guys so much for just liking what I make. You know, I really appreciate you guys. So I will see you very soon. And this will be what the winner of the 100 subscriber giveaway gets, okay? Thank you guys so much. Bye.